Day 2 of my channel with my second video. Almost didn't do it, it's kind of late, but I realized I should try to stay disciplined and try to do these as much as I can every day. I had the time today, I just didn't set aside time, but that's what I'm doing right now before midnight. It'll be a quick video though, so yeah, let's get into it. Let's see, my open position right now is quad. It's starting to go back up. It bounced off that line pretty nicely. Holding that pattern, I did feel tempted to sell it because of this resistance right here, but I should follow my gut feeling, and since it's following this pattern, I'll continue to hold it. It could probably, if it makes another push, maybe I'll sell it up there, but yeah, we'll see. Maybe I could bring my stop here just to secure profits. That's probably a good idea. I think I'll do that. Let's see, probably below this low right here, 955. I'll do it at like below 950, so 948, something like that. So pretty much my entry. I'll go ahead and do that. I'll do it right at my entry. And as for my sell limit, where did I set it at? 1074. I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down to a little bit higher than that. A little bit higher than that. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. Just in case. Because the trend right now is it pops up, it goes back down. If I could catch it right there, that'd be great. I'd be happy with that. KPTI on my Robinhood account. KPTI. I actually sold because I wanted to clear up some funds for my other trades, but yeah, this is actually breaking pattern already. Not very convincingly though. Let's see what the volume's like. How's it compared to previous days? Yeah, the volume, there is volume there. I could have probably put in a buy order here. Put a limit there. I think I might just do that actually. It's pretty good. KPTI. KPTI. Let's look at how these stocks are doing. My top stocks. Yeah, this one was actually followed my idea of it bouncing at this pivot, breaking above this. I should have bought it there. I didn't put any orders in. But that's fine. If it dips down, I'll buy it. I'll definitely buy it again. Sort of what happened at this time. It popped up, dipped back down, another chance to buy down here, and then ride it back up. But yeah, right now I really don't want to chase, so I'm just gonna leave that alone for now. APAM. This is pretty nice actually. APAM. I'm gonna add that to my list. Bring that up. Delete that there. APM. So buy stop above this candle, showing signs of bottoming out, probably going back up to follow that trend. So that's something I really want to watch out for. These are good, two good stocks that I could put my money on. TPVG. Not too confident in which direction this will go from here. It's been in an uptrend for a while, but it could dip down. Who knows? There's not much confirmation right now. I'll hold off on that one. Already looked at that. RVNC. Yeah, this one did exactly what I thought it was going to do too. It's continuing higher. It actually broke above this resistance. But because of this move, I want to wait for it to dip down. There might be a channel forming here. And if there is a channel, this would be the top part of that channel. I would wait for it to go back down to this lower part of that channel. And that's also what this is for. This is sort of to help recognize channels. Based on the history of this chart, when it reaches this +3 ATR line, it tends to either stabilize or go back down. And so it's reaching it, and that's what it's doing now. It's reaching that 3 ATR line. I'll wait for it to sort of correct itself. MTSI. The weekly chart's pretty good. It's pretty good, actually. This is good for a longer term hold. It's really close to this resistance though. I think the best thing for me to do now is either wait for dips lower, or wait for it to break. Right now, it's not a convincing time to buy it. I'll wait. OFG. Oh yeah, this one broke pattern 3 days ago. And it's continuing higher. Not very convincingly, but it is. I'm gonna stick with what my analysis was yesterday, and which was it might dip down to this trend line first and then rise up. So I'm just gonna wait on that. We'll see. If I miss it, I miss it. It's okay. I'll just wait for another opportunity. But sometimes the best thing to do is just to wait. TROX. Downtrend. Don't want to mess with that. CDNA. Uptrending. Close to resistance. Don't want to touch that. Yeah. I think I talked about this yesterday. It's increasing in that channel. Not going to touch it yet. Oh, just wanted to point out. Again, it's pretty consistent, bouncing off these lower channel lines. It's pretty nice. You can see, I already talked about these. Aqua. Yeah. Nothing too interesting so far. Just these two up here. JDST. This is one that I am very interested in right now. So I had drawn these trend lines. Oops. On my 4-hour chart, and it's been following it pretty consistently. Pretty nice pennant going on. But you see here, it didn't dip all the way down, showing signs of strength, and it just broke out of this trend line. So I actually bought right here on my Robinhood account. That's where my funds from KPTI went. I didn't take a full position though. I'm saving it for later, just as confirmation to see. I should probably put a buy stop right there, and I probably will. But what I want to do for this account is I want to, let's see, kind of want to take my chances on this one. Showing signs of reversal right here. Let me do some calculations real quick. I want to put a stop loss right below this, and then a buy stop right above this candle. ride it all the way up here. So that's like a potential profit for like $1.50 realistically. But then the risk would be like $1, not quite the 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio that I'm always trying to strive for. So I'm not too sure yet. I could try it out and see, but I'm just starting to regret pulling my money out of this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait on this one. Looking at the history of it, it's hasn't been very clear. Well, obviously in the long term it's going up, but there are times where it just consolidates. It's not real clear movement. There's no way I could have predicted this up move. What I'm trying to look for is quick short-term gains. So based on that reasoning, I could comfortably assume that if it breaks above this pivot, this will continue higher. So even though the risk to reward ratio isn't that good, I think this has a more likelihood of going the way I want it to. So I'm gonna act on this one. I'll go ahead and do that after this video. And I had already looked through my long list of stocks real quick yesterday, so I'm not gonna go do that today just to save time. But yeah, I'm probably gonna act on APAM and tomorrow watch out for JDST. Oh, this is JNUG, but I also wanted to look at this. This is just confirmation. JNUG should be doing the opposite of JNUG, so yep, it's going back down to going past the resistance. Oh, I'm kind of concerned right here actually, but let's see. JDST, see how that looks. Yeah, definitely signs of an uptrend. I don't know, part of me really just wants to go all in on this and just follow it up right here, all the way up here. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, that's the end of this video.